Want to turn your Photoshop design into a PDF quickly and easily? In this tutorial, I'll show you how to save your image or design as a PDF directly in Photoshop. Let's get started. First, make sure your design or image is ready. Then go to File, Save As. Choose the location where you want to save your file. Then click the Save As Type or Format drop-down menu and select Photoshop PDF. Enter your preferred file name and click Save. A Save Adobe PDF window will appear, where you can choose your PDF settings and quality. Select the settings that work best for your file, then click Save PDF. Photoshop will now create and save your design as a PDF, ready to view, print, or share. And that's it. You've successfully created a PDF using Photoshop. It's a quick and easy way to save your designs in a format that is easy to share and print. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to check out the next tutorial for more easy Photoshop tips and tricks.